Okay, so this is a video um about a simple equation. Okay, so when we look at equations using the function of squared, something is squared, right? And something is cubed. It's a 2 and a 3. It's to the power of 2 to the 3. Well, using the explainer words squared and cubed don't work very well because it's if these are truly the explainer words that we're going to use, squared and cubed, then that means that we're going from two-dimensional, which is a square, length and width, that's a square, to three-dimensional. Now we have a third dimension in there. Now that you add a third dimension for cubed, then infinite amounts of the regular squared function can stack into a cube function. So a cube function. So let's say you have x to the second power. Okay. Well, you could have x to the second power. Let's say x to the second power plus x to the second power plus x to the second power plus x to the second power forever. You could do that for infinity. And x to the third power is greater that than that over on the other side, because x to the third power, you could stack infinite two-dimensional planes into any size three-dimensional existence. So that would be the equation: is x to you can basically stack x to the second power plus x to the second power forever. You could just keep adding it, and or even multiplying it. You can multiply it, add it, however you want to do it, and you could do it forever. And x to the third power would always be bigger because infinite amounts of two-dimensional existence can stack into any size three-dimensional existence. And because it's a square function, which is two-dimensional, length and width only, there's no depth, there's absolutely no depth, then you could stack infinite amounts. And that's how the spatial dimensions work. And a lot of people don't understand how the spatial dimensions work. But that's a function that we have that's wrong with our system, with our mathematical system, is we're using a function to say something that doesn't make any logical sense. It's when you think about how it functions in reality. How there's length and width, there's no depth. There's absolutely no depth. And because of that, there's infinite stackability, and it's real simple. It's a very simple video there. So, anyways, I just want to make this and post this up there. So when you look at the equation, you'll understand how that works, because it's extremely simple. Okay, it's just using the dimensions and how it is. So now, if we change it to the power of this, then that would maybe a way in which we could do it. But we shouldn't call it a square in cubed function. It should be to the power of that, maybe. But that's my nitpick on that. And so I just wanted to make that video. And so you could actually make a mathematical operation, but that's basically what it is. That's why I just created this mathematical operation, that x to the second power plus, or multiplied by x to the second power, whatever you could come up with for your multiplication. Plus that, as long as you keep the third power out of it, the third power is always higher. It's always bigger. Its infinity is bigger. So we have bigger infinities. There's With each dimensional progression is a bigger infinity. And that infinity is superior to the other infinity of the previous dimensional existence, where we went up in dimensions. So, anyways, if you're new to this channel, you might want to subscribe, because we got lots of cool stuff here. Just check out my playlists and see all the great videos. And yeah, if you don't, then you'll never see this channel again. Maybe you should watch some of my videos too, and just go through some of them. You can see all of my videos. So, anyways, I'll talk to you all later, and I hope you all have a glorious, magnificent, wonderful, beautiful, awesome, amazing, incredible existence. and I'll see you around in the next video. Bye.